Hello, networking enthusiast. Welcome to the channel Gone. Today, I will show you how to configure MCLAG in SONiC. As we know, in SONiC, by default, all the ports are in layer 3 and all ports have assigned default IP addresses. So, before starting of the video, I have removed all those default IP addresses. Now, first of all, I will start this switch S2. Now, let me tell you one most important thing about MCLAG in SONiC. Use that image of SONiC which supports MCLAG or which supports ICCPD container. Now, I will show you something after entering into the switch. Here, I will show you the list of Docker containers in switch by using command docker ps flag. Here we can see there is not a single container which is named as ICCPD. In SONiC, MCLAG uses ICCPD container. Now, I will use command sudo systemctl start ICCPD dot service. Here we can see it is showing unit ICCPD dot service is masked. What does it mean? It means by default in SONiC, this service is automatically masked or stopped. Now I will use command sudo systemctl unmask ICCPD dot service. So this unit service is unmasked. Now I will use another command sudo systemctl start ICCPD. Now I will check the list of Docker containers by using command docker ps flag. As here we can see ICCPD container is now running. While before executing these commands or unmasking this ICCPD dot service, there was not a ICCPD Docker container in this list. Now, I will repeat the same steps on switch S3 because these two will act as a MCLAG peers. Now I will start it. I will go into it. It will take some fraction of second. Yes, it is in the loading phase. Now SONiC, password is SONiC. Now here I will also show you docker ps flag. As we can see here, ICCPD container is not listed. Now I will use sudo systemctl unmask ICCPD dot service. Now sudo systemctl start ICCPD. Now docker ps flag. As we can see here, ICCPD container is now running. Now again I will go into switch S2. As here we can see for MCLAG there are 5 steps. First of all, I will make port channels on all the switches. Now first of all, I will go into switch S2. Here I will make 3 port channels. Sudo config port channel add port channel 0001. Now port channel 2 0002. Now port channel 0003. Now I will check the status of these port channels by using command show interfaces port channel. So here we can see 3 port channels are now listed in the table. Now I will make member of these ports to port channels Ethernet 0, 4, 8 and 12. Now sudo config port channel member add port channel 0001 0 and 4 Ethernet 0 Ethernet 4 for 2 for port channel 0002. Oops, here our port will be 8 Ethernet 8, and for port channel 3 and 3 it will be 12. Now again I will check the status of port channels using command show interfaces port channel. As we can see here, all the members or interfaces have become members of port channel. Now I will save configuration using command sudo config save while. Now I have to repeat the same steps on S3, S4 or other switches. This is S2. Yes, S2. This is S3. And this is S1. Now, since it is a redundant work, so before starting of the video, I have made port channels on all other switches because it is a redundant work to save time. Now I will go into S3. Here I will show you the status of port channels by using command show interfaces port channel. As we can see here, port channels are already present in the table, and ports are also member of port channels, because before starting of the video I have configured all these things because it is a redundant work. Now I will start other two switches S4 and S1. S4 and S1. Now I will go into switch S4, switch S4 here. Now here I will show you the status of port channels by using command show interfaces port channel. So yes, everything is fine. Now I will go into S1. Here I will also check the status of interfaces port channel. Interfaces port channel command. Oops, spellings are wrong. CHAWN. Yes, here everything is also fine. Now again I will go into switch S2. Here again I will check the status of interfaces port channel. Yes, now it is showing every port is selected and the LSCP protocol is up. Now I will go into S3. Here again I will execute this command. Yes, all the ports have been selected. Now I will go into S2, S1. Here again I will check the status of interfaces port channel. As here we can see it is showing interface 4 is deselected. It will be selected when MCLAG configuration is completed. As we can see here in S2, in S3, in S3, S star is there. S star mean not synced. It will be synced only when MCLAG configurations are completed. Now I will go into S2. Now I will use command now. Our second step is to create VLAN. Now I will go into switch S2 and create VLAN here. Sudo config VLAN at 10. Now I will allow this VLAN through all port channels. Sudo config VLAN member at 10 port channel 0001. Now I will allow this VLAN through all port channels 0002, 0003. Now I will check the status of VLAN by using command show VLAN brief. So yes, everything is fine. Now I will save configuration using command sudo config save by. Now I will repeat this configuration on switch S3. Sudo config VLAN at 10. Sudo config VLAN member at 10 port channel 0001. Now 0002, 0002, and then 0003. Now I will show you the status of interfaces port channel by using command show VLAN brief. As we can see here, everything is fine. Now I will save configurations using command sudo config save by. Now I will go into switch S4. Switch S4. Here I will also create VLAN. Sudo config VLAN at 10. Sudo config VLAN member at 10 port channel. Here port channel is for S4. For S4 port channel is 0003. 0003. And now here we can see for Ethernet 8, it is actually a untagged member or untagged port. So here sudo config VLAN member add untagged then Ethernet 8. Ethernet 8. Now I will check the status of VLAN table by using command show VLAN brief. So everything is fine. Ethernet 8 is untagged because it is a access port. Now I will save configuration using command sudo config save by. Now I will go into switch S1 and repeat the same steps. Sudo config VLAN at 10. Sudo config VLAN member at 10 port channel 0002. Now add untagged and here I have to write the interface and the interface is Ethernet 8. Ethernet 8. Now I will save configuration using command sudo config save by. Now Step 2 and 3 have been completed. Now I will go to step 4 and make MCLAG pair. Here we have all the configurations for MCLAG pair. Now I will copy configurations from here and paste in the switch S2. MCLAG means switch S2. These configurations are for S2. S2. Now I will tell you the function of this command. In this command, we are creating a domain ID of MCLAG1 and we are making pair of each other. These two will become pair of each other. Actually, through this command, we are making each other an MCLAG pair. Now, I will use this command and paste it here. Sudo config MCLAG unique IP add VLAN 10. Since we have to assign an IP to VLAN 10, that's why we have used this command. Now, this VLAN 10 will become a member of this MCLAG. Now, we have to make port channel 0002 and 0003 member of this MCLAG. Now, I will use configuration, these two configurations, and copy it from here. Now I will paste it. So I have made port channel 0002 and 0003 a member of MCLAG whose domain ID is 1. Now I will check the status of MCLAG by using command MCLAG DCTL flag I MCLAG ID dump state. Now, but before checking the status of MCLAG, some configurations are remaining. Now I will repeat the same steps on switch S3 or on this switch. I will repeat the same steps. Now I will go into switch S3 and paste all the configurations here. Now, actually, the VLAN interface IP of this switch is 192.168.10.1 and the VLAN interface IP of this switch is 10.2. Now, I will save configuration using command sudo config save y. I will go into switch S2, sudo config save y. Now I will check the status of MCLAG by using command MCLAG DCTL I flag I simple I flag I domain ID 1 dump state stat. Here we can see MCLAG domain ID is 1, local IP is 10.1, peer IP is 10.2, and here we can see port channel 0002 and 0003 are member of this MCLAG or MCLAG interface. Now I will go into switch S3. Here I will check the status. Flag DCTL flag I 1 domain ID 1 dump state state dump Oops, it is taking some time. I will go into switches to dump state. Yeah, it is taking some time. Now I will go into switches to and here we can see it is showing MCLAG keep alive link as error because one command is remaining. We have not assigned IP to VLAN 10. As we can see here, MCLAG keep alive link is showing as error. Why? Because we haven't assigned IP address to VLAN interface. Now I will assign IP to VLAN interface by using command sudo config interface IP at VLAN 10. This V must be capital. VLAN 10 192.168.10.1/24. Now I will save configuration using command sudo config save y. Now I will go into switches 3 and repeat the same command sudo config interface IP add VLAN 10 192.168.10.3 10.2/24. Oops, spelling are wrong. I always make this kind of mistake. NTER. Now I will save configuration using command sudo config save y. Now again I will check the status of MCLAG in switches to using command MCLAG ACTL flag I1 dump state. Here we can see it is showing MCLAG keep alive link is okay. Now I will go into switches 3. Here I will also check the status. Now we can see MCLAG info sync is completed, means both the switches are synced and the MCLAG keep alive link is okay. And we can see everything is fine because the local IP of switches 3 is 192.168.10.2 and the peer IP is 10.1. As we can see here, the main interesting thing about MCLAG that this switch S3 is acting as a standby because its IP is high. Its IP is higher than switch S2. Actually, the criteria is the IP, the switch which has lowest IP will act as a active. As we can see, the IP of switch S3 in case of MCLAG is 10.2, while we'll go into switch S2, the IP is 10.1 and it is acting as a active. So active standby role is there. Now I will check the VLAN table using command show VLAN deep. As we can see here, IP is also assigned. Now I will go into topology. I will run these switches. Now I will show one more thing by going into switch S3. Now again I will check the status of interfaces port channel. Show interfaces port channel. This is port channel. Again I will check the status. Now I will go into switch S1. Here I will run the command show interfaces port channel. Here we can see in the beginning, before completing the configuration, Ethernet 4 was showing as deselected, while now Ethernet 4 is showing as selected, because now MCLAG configurations are completed. Now I will go into switch S4. Here I will also run the command show interfaces port channel. Here we can also see it is also showing selected. Both the ports are showing as selected. Now I will go into switches 2 and check the status. Show interfaces port channel. Yes, all the ports are showing as selected. Now I will go into topology, and now I will generate a ping request from host 1 to host 2. Now first of all, I will check their IP addresses. Before checking their IP addresses, let me check one thing about S4. Yes, show VLAN view. Yes, Ethernet 8 is untagged. Now switch S1. Show VLAN brief. Yes, Ethernet 8 is untagged. Now everything is fine. Now I will go into PC1. Now I will generate a ping request, ping 192.168. First of all, I will check the status of IP. Your IP is not assigned. Now I will go into PC2 as well. Show IP. Yes, IP is not assigned. IP 192.168. I have a doubt that IP is not assigned. 192.168.10.4/24 255.255.255.0. Show IP. Yes, everything is fine. Now I will go into PC1. Here IP 192.168.10.3/255.255.255.0. Now I will check the status by using command show IP. Yes, now everything is fine. Now I will generate a ping request, ping 192.168.10.4. Yes, everything is fine. PC1 can send packets to PC2, and PC2 is sending packets to PC1. So everything is fine. Now ping 192.168.10.3. Yes. Thanks God. It was a very long protocol to configure. Now let me show you one thing. As we know, MCLAG is a L2 protocol. That's why its value of TTL is not decremented. It is still 64 because it is operated on L2. It is not operated on L3. Now here we can see as well, the value of TTL is not decremented by 1. It is still 64 because MCLAG is a L2 protocol. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you want more videos like this, kindly subscribe my channel.